drove through that stop sign, dude. And I have no stop sign. What the hell? Oh.
Sunglasses in, but it's also a conversation mirror. So you can put your sunglasses in there, and then you can do it part way up, and you got what they call the conversation mirror. And yes, it has a sunroof.
And he turns without signaling too, so extra credit. Wow. Oh my God. What the fuck? Great, not again. Yeah, you're just gonna sit there like an idiot. And it just turned red. That means it's green for us. And yeah, move your ass. Do something. You should have entered the intersection then, you fucking dunce. Oh, you suck. Come on. Fucking asshole. What the hell is that? He nearly hit someone as he crossed. Yeah, that truck achieved a lot. Wow. What? Whoa! You can't make this shit up!
The gym personality, I'm as entertaining as a fucking STD. You wanna mess with me? I think I'm confident and I'm weak for a man. I'll just roll up in a ball while you kick me in the back. Honestly, I probably will fight back. And I don't have many friends. They'll beat your ass.
Oh, but
I'm your dream, make you real.
This place is basically Earth, right? The planet core isn't going to be ridiculously hot or anything? Okay, also, the whole reason the clone army came down to the
what
blue
the
was to fight the people
fuck?
here. They decided to land on the other side
wrong
of the
side of the road and then go
Until
straight
they
through
could
the
see
left
stars.
turn lane and change. Okay, that was a heart attack. Good thing no one was behind me. Whew. Whoa, whoa! Oh my God! Oh my God! Damn it! Jeez. You don't merge over that lane.
She's like, what?
Fuck, man!
She goes, what the fuck are you saying to me? You know what she thought I said? She thought I said,
What's wrong with you?
Bring when I go to links that far at other people's expenses. Goddamn things
Whoa,
that
whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa! 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 that? Wow. Oh, nice. I saw that. Whoa, jeez. That took me by surprise. Fuck, no signal. Oh, now I see it. You know, it's a funny thing that I can't see your signal when you're behind me. School children. Same spot where... Oh. Get in. Let's not take forever at this. Bet you... Same fucking van that did that to me. Oh my God. You've got to be kidding me. Yeah, talk about last second, and probably cut someone off and piss them off. Oh, instant justice! Now that's funny. Oh my. That's last minute, probably pissed off that tow truck. Yeah, give it a finger.
No, it's fucking scary.
Why are you moving to the left? You can't move to the left.
Obviously it got enough protein, so it wasn't eating berries out there. That thing was choking out coyotes.
Why do you have your left blinker on? Are you fucking kidding? What the hell? Shit! No signal or anything! No, no 40! Yeah, I saw you doing that. Oh, what?
197 channels wasn't enough, and hence...
Same truck! Asshole! The fuck is that? You better make a right turn. Of course you're not. Asshole! Wow. Old guy in that Lincoln. What are you gonna go, or are you gonna
You can do this in Massachusetts, but in New York State, you can, through the DMV, get license plates that
fuck you.
Are basically
bribery scandals rocking the world of soccer. WCBS reporter Paul Marines in Brooklyn for charges against 14
God damn it! Fuck you!
Will be unveiled this morning.
127777777. Choose option 7 or pull into the dial 7 garage where a friendly staff is ready to
What are you doing?
Stream us in the car. Take 10 Penguins with you wherever you go. Stream us in the office and download us on the radio.com and TuneIn app.
All news, all the time.
This is...
You give us 22 minutes.
Fucking asshole. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Shit!
Station you know know the people you trust. 1010 wins.
All news, all the time. This is 1010 wins.
What are you?
Give us 22 minutes.
What are you?
We'll give you
Oh, fuck you too, asshole! You're going on YouTube, motherfucker!
On this Wednesday, March 25th. I'm Kathleen Markle, and here's what's happening. A massive drug bust in Rockland County. Dozens arrested in a heroin and prescription ring.
Yeah, fuck you too. I got both up.
Underage drinking incident.
That was red. What are you doing? You were... Yeah, fuck you too. Going on YouTube, bitch.
He's played himself that far out of the mainstream.
Well, it's true.
Oh my God, are you serious?
Kind of sad,
Oh,
really. I mean,
no, don't. Oh my God.
Some people don't think it's
You
sad,
people are
but
fucking
I think
dumb.
it's sad that he's fallen that far.
Barefoot Warehouse is packed full with rugs and stunning furniture for every room of your house. Save up to 70%.
Fuck you.
4 days only. May 14th.
Whoa. Oh, shit. Oh my God. What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Whoa! The hell was that? What the fuck are you doing? What are you doing? Damn, I didn't expect you to go all the way. Oh, you dumb bicyclist.
WCBS reporter Sean Adams with more from Hackensack. A KO punch for Team Fight Club, the person behind the Twitter feed that showcased...
What the hell? The fuck? Fucking bitch!
Go and feed me, Seymour, feed me. Alright? And if I hadn't been there to wrap him in a blanket and explain how monsters can't penetrate blankets, who knows what would have happened?
Property tax relief. That's one of the things that people are concerned when Governor Malloy had said, well, I'm concerned about the impact on the middle class.
What the hell was that?
I think that
What the... Is this an accident or... I am not getting involved.